Hi beautiful people, this is your girl Riyanka and welcome back to my channel, the Riyanka Talkies. Today's video is going to be a clothing haul from Ajio, and technically this is the first time I have shopped online, that also from Ajio, because I am not an online shopper. I am fat, I am chubby, curvy, whatever you want to call me, but I'm not comfortable in buying clothes online because I don't know if they will fit me properly, if they will hit the portions that I want my clothes to fit properly on, or I just feel very confused and nervous and scared while shopping online. So I haven't technically shopped online before. Before this I had ordered clothes online, and Durga Puja, like you know, previous year Durga Puja, and that was, I went to Trends, I tried out all the clothes in my proper size, and then the salesperson actually ordered that for me online because they were having some kind of discount or sale online. So I tried out the clothes in the store and then I ordered them. So technically this is the first time I'm shopping online without trying the clothes beforehand. Yeah, because I do have insecurities about buying clothes online. So yeah, but this time I needed clothes for my videos, so I had to get some new clothes, and I got a lot of basics this time, like nothing very dressy or something. I just got two tops which are dressy, and other than that most of them are basic, and they are a bit oversized because I was very confused about my sizing. So I ordered everything in XL and one in double XL, so all of them are a bit loose for me. So yeah, here is my haul for you guys. Watch it and let me know if you like my haul. And yeah, and one more thing guys, this is my first haul and I am kind of nervous, so please. Also, going to markets and malls is much more pleasing for me rather than shopping online, sitting in a home and shopping, because I like to go out, I like to go and shop in person. I like to feel and touch the material, and I can't wait for so long to get my things delivered because you know I get anxious, I have anxiety, so it hits my anxiety levels when I keep on waiting for something. I can't wait for something a lot. Like I don't know. I love going to the markets, to the malls, and shop for myself. I'm a big time shopper. I love shopping, but in person, like not really in online. Also, I ordered 7 things from Ajio, but I have 6 things because the last thing that was to arrive was actually taking a lot of time and I needed it for a particular video. But then it was taking a lot of time, so I cancelled it. And I would recommend all of you to go and shop from Ajio because Ajio has got some wonderful discounts. Like they have this offers, shop for 299 on particular merchandise and you can get 65% off or 60% off. There is like shop for 1500 and get 70% off. They have this kind of offers all year round. And yeah, I'll show you on the screen if possible, so please go and check all those offers, and I link everything in my description box. So if you want to buy any of these, or if you want to check out the offers, you can. And please, this is a disclaimer I'm giving it, this video is not sponsored. Like I have only 83 or 84 subscribers, so anyway nobody will sponsor me. So yeah, this is not a sponsored video. This one is the first top that I got from Ajio. The second t-shirt that I got is this one, which has written on it "Be the Queen," and I really love this t-shirt. I had an eye on this t-shirt for a long time and I really love this t-shirt because of the bright color combination with the black. Then I got this top from Ajio, and when I saw this top on the model, I loved it, and I thought maybe this is a body fitted top. So I thought maybe this is a very body fitted top. I ordered this in a double XL because there was no L or an XL. But when I received this top looked good, but it was way too big on me. I should have ordered a medium. But then I tried ordering, and Ajio cancelled my exchange request due to some reasons. So now I have to work with this top, and I love this top when it is tied in a knot. I really like the way it looks on me. I love the color. I think I can just alter it. Then I got this top, and this one is the same top like the first top that I showed you guys, just that the color are different. The very first top that I showed is the same version, and I love that top, but this top I don't like at all because of the color, and this one looks awkward on me. I don't know, I just don't feel confident enough, and I don't know how to style this one. Even this one, when I tried tucking this in my jeans, it looked so odd. Then I got this top. This one is a vintage looking top. I love the print on it, and the sleeves, the puffy sleeves just attracted me so much to buy this top. I love this top. This is one of my favorite tops from Ajio. And this is the last top. This one is a cold shoulder top. I loved it. The color is so cute and it looks so good on me. This one is a bit big on me, but then I tucked it in my jeans and it was looking pretty cute. Also guys, I'm doing a voiceover, and if you're getting weird noises in my audio, then it is because of the rain, and it is raining a lot. So here is my haul, and if you liked it, then please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button beside the subscribe button, and like and share my video. Please guys, subscribe to me, help your girl grow. And yeah, I love you. I will keep on loving you, and you guys keep loving me back. Take care of yourself. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, tata, bye bye.